Hello everyone, and welcome to Techno Bright channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Step into the future with Apple Vision Pro, the world's first VR headset spatial computer. Imagine a device that seamlessly blends digital content with your real-world environment, creating extraordinary experiences at your fingertips. What is Apple Vision Pro? Apple Vision Pro is a revolutionary mixed reality wearable by Apple. It combines ultra-high-resolution displays, custom silicon, and the innovative Vision OS to create a new dimension of computing. What does Apple Vision Pro look like? Here are some real pictures. How does it work? With its advanced technology, Apple Vision Pro offers eye and hand tracking, voice control, and a 3D camera for immersive interactions. The result? A lifelike experience that feels like magic. Unlocking new experiences. Work and play like never before. Arrange apps anywhere, browse the web, and collaborate with life-size FaceTime video tiles. Enjoy movies and games with spatial audio that puts you in the heart of the action. Availability and pricing. Apple Vision Pro is available for pre-order at $3,500 USD, arriving early 2024 in the United States and later worldwide. The package includes a light seal, wireless charging pad, and a protective carrying case. Is Vision Pro supports metaverse games? Yes, already some of the popular metaverse games are compatible with Vision Pro, like Axie Infinity, Decentraland, Sandbox, Illuvium, Cha-In of Alliance. Is Apple Vision Pro easy for use? Apple Vision Pro is designed to be easy to use for most users. It has a breakthrough input system that lets you control it with your eyes, hands, and voice. However, some users may find some drawbacks or challenges with using Vision Pro. For example, it requires an external battery pack that provides up to 8 hours of battery life per charge, which may be inconvenient or bulky for some users 12. It has a feature called Eyesight that tracks your eye movements and expressions and shares them with other users in FaceTime or other apps, which may raise privacy or comfort concerns for some users too. Thank you for watching. If you're excited about the future of computing, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech updates. Stay tuned for the next big thing in technology, and until then, keep exploring with Apple Vision Pro.